Hey, are you a business owner who is struggling to manage your business? Well, every day, thousands of business owners are adopting business automation solutions to automate their business workflows and to get the freedom from day to day firefighting in their business. But unfortunately, not every business owner is able to do that, right? And that's where we come into the picture. Hi there, I'm Kewal Kishan, your business automation coach. And in this quick video, I want to answer all your queries and to help you move ahead in this automation journey with me. What I've realized is that business owners fear change and the cost that comes with those expensive softwares and ERP systems. Well, the good news is that Google Workspace is that number one solution which is ideal for all the non-technical business owners in India, micro, small, and medium enterprises in India, right? Why? First of all, it is a flexible platform. You and your employees can do any kind of data entry directly from your mobile phone, right? Secondly, it is scalable. If you're a solopreneur or if you're having a team of 10, 20, 30 people, or even if you're a business having more than 300 to 400 employees, you could manage everything on Google. So it's flexible, it's scalable, and the best part is it's most affordable for business owners like you. But here you might be saying, Keval, you are talking about Google because you are training people on Google. Well, if you don't believe me, try out a couple of other softwares and you will end up wasting years and then you will get back to me on Google Workspace. Right? Now, the training that I have designed for you, which is called Master of Business Automation, this is something I have designed after working 8 years working with 15 multinational companies and 3,800 business owners from various industries, including manufacturing, trading, services, retail, real estate, and much more, right? And we have analyzed their pain points. And on that, we have built 20 plus business automation tools to help them automate their business processes. You can check out the real authentic testimonials of our students who got the results by implementing these solutions in this program. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to go through the structure of the program and understand on what are you going to invest into so that it could be easy for you to take a decision today. Let's start. So let me take you through the community first and make you understand on how everything works in this. Now here you see the community is called Business Automators. Once you will start your journey today, you will become part of it. And that's where you can post any of your queries, any of your questions here. Okay. So for example, this student has a query and he has posted a question and my teammates are replying on the same. Alongside with that, this is a section where you shall see the option called your courses, where when you click, you will actually be accessing your course, which is Master of Business Automation. That's where you shall see beautifully we have step by step explained you on how in less than 8 weeks you could put your entire business on autopilot. So we start with setting your foundations, right, where we talk about the mindset. I give you an implementation tracker as well. That is where, let me actually show you the tracker. That is where you shall be able to track your entire progress, right? The entire journey of the data management, then WhatsApp automation, and much more. And that's where you shall be able to change the status from pending to completed once you implement that particular tool or system. And we shall be analyzing your progress. So this is the program which is not just a training. This is where we make you accountable and we want you to get the awesome results from the program, right? So let me take you through the entire curriculum of the program. It starts with the first module, which is called data. Data is the new oil of 21st century. And we start with making your data on cloud, on Google applications. So we start with applications like Google Keep, which is going to become your and your employees' digital diary. Then we start with Google Forms on how could you create your Google Forms, could you connect with Google Sheet. We give you some awesome ready-made Google Form templates as well, where you could modify it and you could start it today itself. We train you on some advanced techniques on how could you create pre-filled Google Forms so that when you share it with your client will have most of the data already filled. They need to just put the order, product and the quantity and they could place the order. Then we go ahead, we helping you creating the data masters. And then we take it forward to learning Google Sheets as well. And after that, we go to the next module, which is called WhatsApp automation, right? That's where we are going to learn on how do you connect Google Form with with WhatsApp. You fill the Google Form and your teammate will get automated WhatsApp reminder. And you'll not have to tomorrow not have to remind your teammate कि मैंने आपको एक काम दिया था, you have not completed it. Your teammate will automatically keep getting reminder. So the entire WhatsApp automation solution is also there. Then next we move to the team management. That's where we will understand on how you are going to use this legendary awesome tool called task delegation, where you could delegate the task to your team directly from your mobile phone. And when you delegate the task to your teammate will get a WhatsApp notification that the boss has given the task, and it will keep getting reminders until unless employee completes the work. Now, in this quick page, I shall take you through all these modules step by step. So here, after data management, we shall be actually going to the WhatsApp automation. Here you shall be getting a WhatsApp API to connect with Google Sheet. You shall be able to use our WhatsApp marketing tool to send marketing messages to your clients, to your prospects, right? And then after that, we shall talk about team management, because at the end, if your team becomes productive, then you can grow. Business owners are not able to get the ROI from their employees, but using these tools, you shall get much more ROI, much more results. On an average, our students are saying that their employees are able to become double or triple productive in less than 8 weeks after implementing this. So we start with using this awesome automation tool called task delegation, where using Google Form, you will delegate the task and your team will get automated WhatsApp reminders. Then we shall talk about intranet, a centralized portal for your team, where your team can access everything, all your forms, all your sheets at a single place. Then we shall go through all other tools like Google Chat, Google Calendar, and Google Meet. Then we shall go into the next module, which is marketing, right? After your team is sorted, you're able to manage your team. The time that you used to spend 6, 7 hours to managing the team, using this, you should be able to manage them even in minutes, right? Then we should talk about how to generate more inquiries. That's where you should be learning on how to create your website on Google site without any coding. My team will help you to host the website onto your domain name. Then you should be learning this tool called WhatsApp and email marketing tool. And I'll be guiding you in live implementation classes on how to design your WhatsApp and emails in such a way that you are getting the best response from it. Then social media marketing, how do you generate inquiries from Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube? Then WhatsApp business, social media monthly post planner I'll be sharing with you. In a month, what kind of post I share, if you keep sharing that, you should also get the similar results, right? And then YouTube marketing as well, because this is that platform where one video that if you upload today will give you the return even in next 10 years as well. So YouTube is something which is a search engine, it is a social media as well, and it works wonderful. After you start getting inquiries using the email marketing and WhatsApp automation solutions, then we shall go to the next module, which is called sales automation. Now, sales is not about just one meeting. Sales is about doing the consistent value driven follow up using technology, right? So that's where you shall get a CRM tool which has helped us, our students, double their sales using the consistent automated follow-ups. That's where you should be able to track your inquiries, your team's performance. You should be able to generate quotations over just by clicking a button using Google Sheet, and your clients will get quotation on their WhatsApp. You should be able to track the sales. You should be able to get automated bookings for your time from your clients if you're into any kind of services business, right? Invoice generation, payment reminder tool, and payment gateways as well. After the sales is sorted, where you are tracking all your inquiries, you are managing them stage by stage, you are able to send automated follow-up messages, and you are able to close more and more clients for your business, right? Helping them. Now, when you get the client gets onboarded, how do you deliver your product or service? That is really important. Because if your clients are not happy, there is no way you can grow, right? True business growth is where your clients become your brand ambassador. For example, our students, they're talking about us here and there because they are getting the results. The same way you also need to do, right? So operations, you need to first of all automate your day-to-day operations. And it starts with tools like flow management system, where you should be able to track your orders, the workflows stage by stage, right? Then project management system. If you're into any kind of business of construction or interiors, using this system, you should be able to create milestones for your project, delegate the task to your team from the project, and your team will keep updating the task, right? So in the flow management and project management, your team will getting WhatsApp reminder of the pending task. Then we shall go for other tools like form to PDF, approval tool, and much more. We provide you a complete inventory management solution as well to help you manage your inventory if you're a manufacturer or a trader or if you're into construction, right? And last thing in operations is customer help desk. Understand, the better service that you provide to your customer, the better chances that you can retain them, right? The better chances you can get more referrals from them, and the better chance that word of mouth marketing will work for you. But if your clients are not happy, if you're not giving the great service, then there is no chance you can grow. Now, using this customer desk tool, wherever your clients have any questions or queries, they shall fill a form and it will automatically create a ticket, and your customer's query will be resolved step by step. Instead of you getting manually involved, it will be delegated to your teammate automatically. Then we go to the next module, which is called admin automation. That's where you need to change your business from a lala business to actually a proper organization. And it happens with these systems like lead management, attendance management, expense tracker, purchase approval, hiring tool, and timesheet, and Google admin. And the last thing is which every business needs, and that is business analysis. You'll be learning on how to create a report in Google Sheet in less than 2 minutes. How do you create your business dashboards on Google Data Studio? And that's where all the reports that you will be getting from these tools, you should be able to schedule them automatically on your email. Whenever I wake up 8 a.m. in the morning, I get all my reports on my mobile phone. The same case with our students as well, right? So you should be getting all your dashboards for sales, for operations, for team, and for other departments as well, right? So this is going to be the entire journey in this entire program, right? Now, you might be wondering, Kewal, how about the support and how about the live classes? Now, good news, this program includes lessons as well as live implementation classes. So that doesn't matter what's your background, doesn't matter whether you are zero in technology or whether you're hero in technology. We want you to get awesome results from the program from the day one. So when you will click on this section called events, you shall be actually going through this section where every week you shall see a live implementation class which is directly connected with Zoom, right? It will be happening on Friday, and every week we shall be having a weekly mentorship session as well, which will be a Q&A session. And implementation and Q&A session, you shall be implementing and you shall be resolving your queries. And the result is our students who were absolutely zero in technology, who had no idea on how to use even Excel files, their entire business is running on forms and sheets and on WhatsApp automation, and they can manage everything, they can track everything directly from their mobile phone. Kudos to these live implementation sessions and the kind of support our team is providing. Now let's see what kind of support you are going to get. When you will be clicking on this button in the portal called support, right? When you will click here, you shall be actually taken to this section which is called how can we help you, how to get support. That's where you should be able to search the community. This community is built on some smart software. Whatever query you have, you shall be able to search it out and you shall get the answer within the search. Alongside with that, you can post your query on the portal. You can join our live Q&A and mentorship calls. You can raise a ticket by clicking on this option. Alongside with that, you can book a one-to-one hand-holding support where you'll get a link. You can book a one-to-one support call and my teammate will appear at that time online on Google Meet. You shall be there, and the beauty is that my team one-to-one will help you, handhold you, and resolve your query. Now, if you search any training program in India or in the world, I can bet you there's no company, there's no training in India or abroad which is giving this level of detailed support to each and every student. And the reason why we are going so deep in the support, because we know our students and they are business owners and they need proper hand holding, and then only they can get the results. And that is the reason our 3,800 business owners got awesome results. You can check out on the landing page in the success stories as well, because of the hand holding support that they got, right? So this is a chance for you to start. This is a chance for you to take an action and start your journey. Now, going further, this is where you'll see everything: your portal, your courses, your topics, your support link as well, right? So what are you waiting for? Here the entire detail is given, right, of the landing page. All the modules are given here, right? Go ahead, click on the link below and start your journey now. Because if you do not start your journey now, you shall not be able to resolve your problems. I cannot help you until unless you take an action, right? And true business owner is the one who take an action, right? It's a no-brainer. Go ahead, start your journey and reduce the cost of delay, because the more you delay, the more chances that you shall be delaying your progress. Use the power of Google and WhatsApp automation to 10x your inquiries, to 10x your sales, to 10x your team performance, and to get the true freedom that you deserve in your business. I look forward to see you on other side, where we shall be working together to give you the freedom from firefighting and to help you to scale your business just the way we have done for our students pan India. Till then, keep learning, keep automating. Link is below, register, and I'll see you in the program.